Hi, welcome back to Lip Tutor. If you're new here, do not forget to hit that bell and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss any new video that drops. If you're not new to the channel, hello there and welcome back. Today, we're going to be discussing matters and its physical properties and wrapping up matter and measurement. Matter is anything that occupies space. They exist in three different states. These are solid, liquid, and gas. Solids are rigid, they have fixed volume and shape, and are not compressible. Example of a solid is an ice cube. Liquids have definite volume. They take up the shape of container that they are placed in and are slightly compressible. An example of liquid will be water. Lastly, gases have no fixed shape or volume. They take up the shape of any container that they are in, and gases are highly compressible. Example will be steam. Change in temperature can result in phase changes, and that is when you change from one state to the other, either going from solid to liquid, liquid to gas, or from solid to gas. That's what we mean by phase change. Matters can be broken down into two main categories. These are chemical properties and physical properties. Chemical properties refers to the way a substance might change or react to form other substances. Example of chemical properties is flammability. On the other hand, physical properties of a substance can be observed without changing the identity and composition of that substance. Physical properties include density, color, boiling point, melting point, odor, and many more. Physical properties can be further categorized into two subgroups. These are extensive properties and intensive properties. Intensive properties do not depend on the amount of sample being examined. Examples are temperature and melting point. However, extensive properties depend on the amount of sample. Example, mass and volume. A substance can either undergo physical change or chemical change. During physical change, only the appearance of a substance changes. Its composition does not change. However, during chemical change, a substance is transformed chemically. For example, we know hydrogen burns in air. So, hydrogen undergoes a chemical change as it combines with oxygen found in air to form water. Substances can exist either as elements or a compound. An element is a substance that cannot be broken down into chemically simpler components. The smallest part of an element is known as an atom. Compounds are substances that can be broken down into chemically simpler components. The smallest part of a compound is known as molecules. Most matter exists as a mixture of pure substances. Examples of mixtures include wood, wine, soil, and air. There are two classifications of mixtures: homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures are those that have visibly indistinguishable parts. That is, the mixture is uniform. This is also known as a solution. Examples include wine and brass. Heterogeneous mixtures are those that have visibly distinguishable parts. That is, the mixture is not uniform. Examples of heterogeneous mixtures are oil and water mixture, and also salt is also a form of heterogeneous mixtures. Lastly, we're going to discuss separation of mixtures. Mixtures can be separated into its pure substances using different types of physical methods. Some examples of physical methods used to separate mixtures are distillation, chromatography, and filtration. With that, we've come to the end of Matter and Measurement series. I will link the other videos in this series in the description box. If you have any questions or want clarification on anything discussed in the video today or any of the videos from this series, you can do so in the comment section. I hope you've enjoyed this video and you learned a thing or two today. Bye! See you in the next video.